Hi guys, it's Dan Bell here with Squirrel's regular interest rate and mortgage update. So look, not a lot of change from last week in terms of where interest rates and mortgage rates are in New Zealand. We actually had the Reserve Bank of New Zealand announce the official cash rate today. Unfortunately, there was no change. The cash rate was left at 5.5%. And the accompanying commentary was pretty much a cut and a paste from their last announcement in February. So they continue to see inflation remaining elevated, and until inflation gets back into their target range of 1 to 3%, they're going to keep the OCR at 5.5%. Now, in terms of what we're seeing in mortgage rates, and if you're refixing at the moment, we're still favouring the shorter term rates. So the best 6 month rate that we're seeing is still around 6.89, and the best 1 year rate that we're seeing is around 6.85. Now, again, bear in mind that those are for rates if you've got at least 20% equity. Longer term rates, we're not seeing anything under 6%, unfortunately. The best sort of 5 year rates that we're seeing are around 6.39%. And we don't think that it's worth locking in for that long at the moment when the Reserve Bank of New Zealand should be cutting interest rates by the end of the year, and that's generally the forecast from most economists. So yeah, not a lot has changed over the last week in terms of the data coming up. The big announcement in the next week will be the CPI out of New Zealand next Wednesday for the first quarter of this year. Again, inflation is the key measure for the Reserve Bank to start cutting interest rates. So we'll be watching that one closely. Until then, we'll see you then.